Returning to Wealthy Coin, howdy hello everyone. You should expect to see a doubling of the Shiba Inu pricing tonight. Quite large. SHIB updates. With the constant release of new coins and tokens, cryptocurrency is becoming more mainstream. Same as Shibarium and Shiba Inu. An upcoming Ethereum-based Layer 2 L2 blockchain network specifically for Shiba Inu is called Shibarium. The Shiba Inu meme coin will become an entire ecosystem as a result. The price of Shiba Inu is going to quadruple tonight, as we'll discuss in this video, quite large. SHIB updates. To view our most recent information on Shiba Inu price forecasts and expert analysis, hit the like button, spread the word, and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's get the video started. Shiba Inu is now one of the most valuable meme coins, ranking in the top 20 by market cap. The SHIB team has been consistently making progress on their many initiatives. A number of important benchmarks and milestone accomplishments have been made by the SHIB ecosystem. One of the latest landmarks was Binance's announcement on April 18th that Shiba Inu will no longer be housed in the innovation zone. An announcement recently revealed that the biggest cryptocurrency exchange will be removing Shiba Inu and several other tokens from the innovation zone on April 18th. These tokens include Fraxshare Trust Wallet Token, 1inch, and others. In their release, Binance stated that they created the innovation zone to provide a secure environment for users to trade innovative ventures. We expect some of these projects to have demonstrated their value and reach our high standards over time. According to Binance, the exchange has chosen to remove SHIB and the other tokens from the innovation zone after thorough evaluations. SHIB reached this mark following evaluations by Binance that took into account a number of criteria. To put the network through its paces, someone wrote a script to generate millions of wallets. People are curious about the reason for the unexpected surge in the number of hosted wallets on Puppetnet, the beta version of Shiba Inu's Shibarium network. New information suggests that in order to put the network through its paces, a script was created to create millions of wallets. In a recent tweet, one of the developers of the Shiba Inu-based NFT project, ShipPixelPups, revealed the person admitted to writing the software that activated more than 3 million transactions on the beta network and created more than 9 million Puppetnet wallets. Further disclosure, the team member was also responsible for creating around 1,620 tokens on the test network. The network presently has 13.3 million wallet addresses and has processed over 3.47 million transactions, according to data from Puppetscan, the official block explorer for Puppetnet. You may remember that just 2 days ago, the number of wallets jumped above 5 million, an increase of 86%. This incredible increase was started by this script. The goal of the test network is to provide stakeholders a chance to test the network before it goes live on the mainnet, so they can make sure it works and is reliable. Everything you see on the testnet, including tokens and transactions, is for show and is not real, as Satoshi Kusama, the Shiba Inu lead, has stressed time and time again. It is commendable to work on a script to create millions of testnet wallets, as this will help evaluate the blockchain's efficiency and scalability. Also, it can be useful for finding errors or issues that may crop up while you're working. The network's dependability can only be evaluated through stress testing. The script's authors said they were testing the network's capacity to manage heavy traffic during events like airdrops and games. They also said that they did tests to evaluate the network's transaction time, resiliency, and other characteristics, as well as an airdrop script. No issues have been reported at this time. The SHIB flames in March were really remarkable. With 540 transactions in March, 6.78 billion SHIB tokens were burnt. A considerable rise was observed in both the total number of SHIB destroyed and the number of transactions as compared to the preceding months. The greatest burnt quantity since October 2022, when 9.05 billion SHIB were used, occurred in March. More than 34.92 million Shiba Inu were burned in 3 transactions yesterday, with 25.31 million SHIB coming from a single wallet, according to the SHIB burn tracker. A staggering 25,313,097 SHIB were sent to the burn address in one transaction by the Coinbase-affiliated wallet Coinbase 10. Compared to the previous day's overall burn rate of 2.93 million SHIB, this transaction increased it by 1,108%. The futures market also shows signs of an increasing trend. Open interest OI in Shiba Inu has been on the rise since the start of March. The indicator represents the total number of contracts in which investors have actively participated. Data from CoinGlass shows that there are now more than 2.4 trillion SHIB, or around $26.78 million in open futures. Only about 1 month ago, OI was hovering around $18 million. Traders' increasing fascination with SHIB is reflected in the rise in open interest. At the beginning of February, when the SHIB price reached its annual high of $0.00000001591, the OI was $47.3 million. The Shiba Inu was worth $0.000001083 as of the time of publication. The SHIB price is presently following a continuation pattern that has been covered on News BTC in ascending triangle. The price of SHIB hit a new all-time low of $0.0000064 USD today. Hence, the upward trend is still valid. By April's end, it may be clear if bulls or bears have prevailed. Lately, Shiba Inu has started to attract the attention of investors. While the open interest in its futures, or OI, has just surged to 2.4 trillion tokens, or $27.51 million, continuing a slow but steady increase that began a month ago. A price explosion is anticipated as this rising trend indicates a resurgence of interest. A futures open interest is the sum of all open futures contracts that have not been closed out or resolved by an offset trade. It basically stands for the total amount of contracts that market players still have open and are actively holding. An exponential growth in assets. Open interest indicates that traders are positioning themselves for potential price fluctuations, and a large influx of new capital is entering the market. There has been a 52% growth in the open interest in Shiba Inu tokens from $18.05 million on March 13th to the current level of $27.51 million, or $2.4 trillion, according to data from CoinGlass, a futures trading intelligence platform. A correlation between SHIB's open interest and its price action is seen by the OI chart. When SHIB's OI increases, the asset's price often goes up. On February 5th, OI reached $3.2 trillion tokens, a gain of $47.3 million. On the same day, the asset's value reached its highest point this year, $0.00000001527 as a result of this. Nonetheless, the asset's price and SHIB's OI both began to decline after February 5th. The open interest has been experiencing a resurgence in value after falling to a low on March 13th. The price of the asset is likely to rise in tandem with investor expectations. The volume of trades on Binance has also shown a renewed interest in SHIB. Over the previous 4 days, Binance's Shiba Inu volume has progressively risen daily after falling to 1.58 trillion SHIB on April 8th. The current volume for today is 2.44 trillion tokens. While it is in the midst of a protracted consolidation period, SHIB is attempting to break out of an ascending triangle despite its current underperformance. The asset's current price, $0.0000011, is down 0.97% over the last 24 hours but up 0.8% over the last hour. If the triangle fails to form, SHIB can go for the $0.0000015 high seen in February. The asset seems to have gained popularity among market participants recently, and if demand increases, it might help achieve its aims. Uncovered the fact that SHIB ranked among the 3 most watched assets globally. Aside from the long-rumored collaboration between the Shiba Inu community and renowned musician Scott Page, rumors have circulated that top American celebrity sculptor Jack Storms will be accepting SHIB on his online store as part of an NFT collaboration. The day came to an end with that. If you enjoyed this and want to see more, subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up.